Hello, fellow creators, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to delve into: how to make animated videos with ChatGPT. As technology continues to evolve, we're here to explore the limitless possibilities of creativity. So, let's jump right in. There are 4 steps. Step 1, Story. Step 2, Image generation. Step 3, Voiceover. Step 4, Video editing. Let's start with the step 1, which is creating a story for our video. Go to google.com and type in ChatGPT and press enter. Click on the very first website. Click on Try ChatGPT. It will lead you to the homepage of ChatGPT. Here you can type your prompt to generate any desired output. We need to give it a prompt to generate the story that we will be using in our voiceover using another free voiceover website. I'll type in, write a story about a boy who is fond of traveling in forest, and it will start generating a script for us. Step 1 is completed. It's time to move on step 2, which is generating AI images using BlueWillow. Introducing BlueWillow. It is a free AI artwork generator that generates high resolutions images up to 8K with high quality details. Click on Join the free beta button. Then join the BlueWillow's Discord server by click here. Click Skip button to proceed with it. Click on any channel starting with Rookie. Type in here /imagine, and then you have to give prompt to generate 4 images of different variants. We'll copy the prompt from our script that was written by ChatGPT. Copy the first sentence from the script, go back to BlueWillow Discord server. Paste the script in the prompt to generate images based on our story. You've to wait few moments to let it complete the image generation process. So here are the 4 variants of images that BlueWillow has generated for us. Here U1, U2, U3 and U4 are for upscaling the corresponding image, and V1, V2, V3, and V4 are for dividing a specific image into its 4 further variations. Here I am like image number 1, so I would like to generate 4 further variants of it to see which one fits the best to my story frame. Finally, we can select one image. Simply click on the upscale button that you want to upscale according to the image number. I'd select 3rd image. Scroll down and find the images that you upscaled. Click the image and press mouse right click button to save the image on your computer. Now copy the next sentence from the script and repeat the process as many times as you want the number of images to be generated that you will use in story. I would generate 10 images. Here are the 10 images that I've generated using the same process 10 times. The second step completes here. It's time to move on to the 3rd step, which is generating a voiceover for our story using ElevenLabs. Introducing ElevenLabs. It is a text-to-speech and voice cloning software that gives you the opportunity to convert your text into voice using free version of it that includes limited words. Here you can paste the text to preview the voiceovers. Select a voice out of many and press play button to listen to the voice. To use this software for free, you need to create an account first. So, click on Sign Up button. You can either sign up using your Google account or simply put your email and password. I'll use Google to sign up. After you sign up, it will lead you to pricing page where you don't have to buy anything unless you want to generate a long lengthy script. Click on Speech Synthesis. Select the voice you want to use for voiceover. You can also play with the settings like increasing or decreasing the stability and also the clarity. But I'll stick to the default settings. You can also select the models. First one is the stable model and second model is still under experiment. So, we'll go with the first model for stable voice. You can paste the script here. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the script. Paste it here. Press the generate button and wait for few moments. Finally, the voiceover is generated and you can listen to it.
A vast forest. There lived a curious and adventurous boy named Ethan. From a young age, Ethan had been captivated by stories of the magical creatures and hidden wonders that lay within the depths of the forest. He yearned to explore its mysteries and discover its secrets firsthand.
The last and final step is to combine our images and voiceover to create a complete story. I'll use Adobe Premiere Pro to create the video. You can use any of your own choice that you feel convenient with. Import images that will be used in story. Click File, then click Import. Select all the images that you've generated. Drag all images to timeline. Now click File again and click Import to bring in the voiceover that we've already created. Now expand each image to a certain length that makes the whole length equivalent to the length of voiceover. Let's add some transitions to make our video look more smooth and interesting to our viewers. You will find the transition in the Effects tab. If you can't find the Effect tab, then click on the Window tab and click Effects to toggle the Effects tab. Now select the transitions that you like. Drag them at the end of each image to give it a beautiful effect. Congratulations, you've created your first animated story video using AI. Now you can preview the video. Summer brought warm sunshine filtering through the leaves, casting playful shadows on the forest floor. Ethan would cool off in the babbling brook. Now we need to export the video. Click on the Export button. Choose the quality that you want. Press the Export button. You're done. Upload the video on your YouTube channel and start earning money. Please hit that subscribe button if you like the video and don't miss the update for the upcoming videos. Goodbye.